Alright, Big Ran. Big Rick here. I want you to look at your nice little Sea-Doo. She's a pretty little thing. Yes, she is. So what you do is, Big Ran, come right up here. You take this little thing. It's the most important piece. Oh, I just dropped it. Let me go back and get it again, Big Ran. There she is. You take that piece here, and you stick that right there underneath that stop kill switch. Let me turn it a little bit. Turn it right there. Bam! Just like that. You take this other end right here, and you put it on your wrist, because you don't want to die. And then right in here, you got a little key right here. Take that, oops, and you put it on this little switch over here, and you turn it on, just like that, and you throw that back in there. Close her up. Then all you gotta do is come up here, hit that green button right there. Bam! Bam! Running like a champ. There you go, Big Ran. Big Rick out.